Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let's talk about how to fix the Spotify account disabled. Now, if you're in this situation, right here as you can see it is mentioned, your account may be disabled because of a suspected fraudulent activity. If that is the case for you as well, and if you have received an email, in this situation, the only way that you can get back is that you can contact the support of Spotify. But however, before you do that, make sure that you have the proof of ownership or the purchase details or the payment details ready in order for you to show them or verify that it is you trying to regain access of your account. So in this situation, what you can simply do is search for Spotify account disabled, head over to this first link and tap on the contact us link. This way you'll be taken to the section where you can tap on start messaging and start chatting with the Spotify support team. You need to show your ownership as well as your payment details across Spotify. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you in solving this issue. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.